Another thing that we didn't go into too much on the previous lessons of 1.1 is fine tuning, epochs, pruning, and quantization. And for the purposes of the Sec AI Plus, you don't have to go super deep. Each one of these things goes very deep, like it's its own science. But for the purposes of the Sec AI Plus, we just need to know how it pertains to security. We need to know enough to know how do we protect it, how can it be exploited, what is it used for, why is it taking so long to do X, Y, and Z, those kinds of things. Let's talk about fine tuning. Fine tuning is where you take a model that's already trained and then we're going to make it smarter in one specific area. Now, this is done within security itself. Like, for example, in a real world application, you can have fine tuning on an AI security system where it does fraud detection. Banks are used fine to identify fraudulent activities. As a matter of fact, right now I'm in an organization where we are using pre-trained AI, and we have it to where it's focused on our data. So that's fine tuning. It's now focused on our data, so it knows how our organization speaks and how our organization does certain things, right? So it's specialized in our organization, and not only does it know all this other knowledge that, say, ChatGPT or Gemini knows, that's already pre-trained on, but now we're fine-tuning it. And you can do this with healthcare, you can do this with banking, you can do this with network security, and fine-tune it. So it's really good at one thing. You're taking the raw data, whether it be logs or it's prompts from people or whatever, and this is already a pre-trained system, and you're going to fine-tune it by giving it specialized custom knowledge base. And now it knows not only all the stuff it's been trained on, but the specialized knowledge of your field or your industry. That is fine tuning. Now let's talk about epochs. A model, when it is being trained, one of the terms or ideas behind machine learning is called an epoch. And it just means, and all that means is the model going through the entire phase to learn a complete data set of the beginning, middle, and end. It just means the beginning, middle, and end of a data set. That's about as much as you need to know. You're not going to need to know batching or iterations or all those little terms that go into epoch, because we're not developing a model from scratch. If you know that stuff, that's great. It's like programming. Like, if you know that, that's really incredible, and that will give you a leg up on a lot of people. But you're rarely going to go this deep into machine learning to do your job as a security person. You probably need to know what that term is, just in case you're brought onto a new system and they're going through a machine learning process where they're going up, sending a model through epochs, and they're just talking about what's going on and some of the concepts behind it, including things like pruning. What is this? Pruning is removing parts of a model that you don't need. You might remove a whole data layer, some weights, the data itself, neurons that connect one node to another. You just don't need everything to do what you need to do. It's more efficient for what you need. And another thing is quantization. So quantization is where you make the model smaller. You're reducing the precision because you're taking a lot out of it, but you're also speeding up the inference. So those are the three terms you need to know. Epoch, the model going through the entire data set. Pruning, removing parts of your model that you just don't need. And then quantization, which is making it smaller, taking it from one size to a much smaller size, maybe taking it from a large language model all the way down to a small or reduced size large language model. And that in turn reduces the precision, but speeds up the inference and how fast it's going to give you data back.